quickly do you expect these economies to rebound once the situation is normalized?
I expect that to be pretty fast. I mean, there will be several factors. The investment factor that today has slowed down, just also because of the sheer stopping of air travel, makes that there will be a lot of overdue investments which will happen anyway. On the consumption part, I think that especially the fact that China has gone since now a few years into a massively online and e-commerce economy, that has actually prevented consumption to be hit too hard. Even if it's hit, then there's going to be a rebound. What worries me much more is the more fundamental integration of the global economy, which really benefited everybody because it optimized costs, it optimized supply chain, and we will see actually much more redundancies built up everywhere. It's a little bit like when you stockpile in front of a crisis. It does not make sense to have little piles everywhere, but it gives you the sense of that in case of an unexpected event like this outspread, you are better prepared. Look, if you take it in hindsight, what happened in the last 2 months, the way China responded by shutting down an entire province, starting with a couple of very large cities, is probably unprecedented in history. So that is absolutely to the credit of the Chinese government. Then obviously there's this whole period between early December and mid-January where probably an earlier response would have been more effective in trying to contain it to a very limited number of cases.